One of the greatest mistakes people make when reading the Bible is treating it like 66 separate books instead of one continuous story. Yahuah tells us in Isaiah 46:10 that he declares the end from the beginning. That means if you want to understand Revelation, you must first understand Genesis. The beginning contains the blueprint. The end reveals the complete masterpiece. Look at the parallels. Genesis begins with creation. Revelation ends with a new creation. Genesis opens in a garden. Revelation closes in a restored paradise. The tree of life is offered in Genesis and restored in Revelation. Marriage begins with Adam and Eve and reaches its fulfillment in the marriage of the Lamb and his bride. The Sabbath, established at creation, ultimately points to the kingdom rest that still awaits the people of Yahuah. In Genesis, the seed is promised. Throughout the scriptures, that promise unfolds until Yahusha, the promised Messiah, comes as the Lamb. He redeems what was lost and prepares the way for restoration of all things. The Bible is not about two different plans. It is not about one God in the Old Testament and another in the New. It is not about replacing Israel or abolishing covenant. It's one Creator, one covenant, one kingdom, one Redeemer, one plan of restoration. Everything moves towards the same destination. Yahuah dwelling with his people in a restored creation under the reign of the King. Once you begin reading the scriptures this way, everything changes. The Torah is no longer disconnected from the prophets are no longer disconnected from the writings are no longer disconnected from the apostolic witness. They become one continuous story. The end was declared from the beginning. Genesis is the blueprint. Revelation is the completion. And Yahusha HaMashiach stands at the center of it all. If this overview has helped you see the Bible as one continuous covenant story, then I'd like to personally invite you to take the next step. Join me for Return to the Covenant, a completely free course inside Ephraim's Cry Academy. Together we'll walk through the scriptures from a Hebraic covenant-centered perspective and discover how the Torah, the prophets, the writings, and the apostolic witness all proclaim one kingdom, one covenant, and one Redeemer, as it is truly history, his story. This course is completely free, and it's the perfect place to begin your journey. Come explore Ephraim's Cry Academy, see what it's all about, and let us help you grow into biblical understanding, covenant faithfulness, and the kingdom of Yahuah. I'll see you inside the academy. Shalom.